Alright guys, welcome to another trade breakdown of my model. In this video, we're going to be looking over what I took today and how I traded it. It was a pretty simple day, to be honest, like very telling signs of what price wanted to do and how to engage it. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, of course, mark out the 7:30 a.m. open. Gotta look for SMT. And so I woke up this morning, I saw the data highs being ran out around 9:30, right? And I saw this external range of liquidity getting swept on NQ, this 1 hour SMT, and this would be also the 4 hour fair value gap, right? So this would be the 4 hour external range liquidity, and then that causes an internal range of liquidity move right here. We left failure swings to that fair value gap, so this would have been a great target for shorts. So that was my bias. I had a bullish bias, of course, if we go on the daily chart, we had large expansion. This was just a TGIF back into the range, but we take out previous weekly high and then come back into the range. So once I saw that, I wanted shorts, right? I understood that we had SMT at these highs with those hourly. So we have internal SMT right here, right, on the 1 minute chart, and we also have external SMT as ES did not take that 1 hourly high. So once I saw that, I understood that we probably want to go lower, and these data lows probably will become the draw on liquidity, and probably gonna go there and maybe tap into that 4 hour fair value gap, right? Because the internal range of liquidity to external range of liquidity also these data lows as price magnets. So once that happened, 950 macro opened up. See, what I went wrong here, I should have taken a position before the 10 a.m. news. I don't know why I waited. I thought we were gonna go higher and then come lower, but it made no sense. And looking back on it, I could have caught a filthy move, like a filthy move right here. 4R right here, right? So I made that mistake, but it's all good. 10 a.m. just straight dumped. We had news at 10 a.m. It straight dumped, took out data lows, came back, and then we kind of accumulated here. And I was just waiting to see how we'd react, right? We left this devil's mark on ES as well, but we had bullish SMT at the lows at this point, so I was a little iffy, but we got internal range of SMT right here with this high and this fair value gap. And so off the SysD, I just took a position and scalped this 1.5R down to the fair value gap, and as you can see, it was a tick reaction. And then I also had an idea of a scalp that I ended up not taking, right? A scalp, inversion scalp to these highs. This would have been a nice 1R, just scalping a nice 2.45R when there's not really continuation, right? Off that for value gap plus SMT, that was a nice scalp idea, but and I ended up not taking it, right? So, I mean, pretty much nice day, pretty clean day. If you see, like, of course, this plays out all the time. SMT above that 7:30 a.m. open was beautiful, right? And this move down here off the NFP news, we had SMT below the 7:30 open, and that's what led this to run up to the hourly highs. That was a draw, right? So after I saw this SMT and the hourly SMT, this 7:30 a.m. open became clear and that we wanted to dump. I should have taken a position before 10 a.m. news, but what can you do, right? But yeah, so this is how today played out. It was a beautiful day. Um, and yeah, I think we got this FU candle at 10:53. But yeah, pretty much should have been an easy day to read. 7:30 a.m. open SMT, changes in state of delivery, 15-minute dump, SMT at the highs, taking out hourly SMT. Very simple day, very, very simple day. So yeah, that is the trade breakdown for February 7th. Thank you guys.